Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Deactivate account on ChatGPT. To know how to fix or how to solve Deactivate account on ChatGPT, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to the window of ChatGPT. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.